All the hottest tracks are right here. Introducing 80s Explosion, and it's free with your paid subscription to Entertainment Weekly.
Oh, tainted love. Tainted love.
This exclusive collection has 24 of the decade's biggest chart-busting hits, all compiled on 2 sensational CDs or audio cassettes.
'Cause you're too shy. Hush, hush, I do too shy.
And here's the best part. All this great music is yours free.
My love runs cold. My memory has just been sold. My angel is simple.
That's right, it's free when you subscribe to the magazine everyone loves, and at savings of almost 70% off the cover price.
We going riding on the freeway, rolling love in my pink Cadillac.
Entertainment Weekly gives you an inside look into the latest movies, TV's hottest programs, current video releases, music, and much more.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. 8675309.
Use your credit card and call right now to get 30 issues of Entertainment Weekly for 4 monthly installments of $5.99. And you'll also get 80s Explosion, 24 of the decade's greatest hits on 2 CDs or audio cassettes, and it's yours free. So call and subscribe today and save almost 70% on Entertainment Weekly. And you'll also get the 80s Explosion 2 CD set absolutely free.
You gonna call?
So don't wait any longer. Call right now.